President Draupadi Murmu today hoped the Samudrayan mission, India's first manned ocean mission to explore the deep ocean, will be a great success. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a 2-day visit to Dubai, UAE from 30th of November to attend the World Climate Action Summit. Guru Nanak Jayanti or Guru Purab is being celebrated with religious fervour across India and the world. The 42nd India International Trade Fair, which is going on at New Delhi's Pragati Maidan, will conclude today. The fair began on the 14th of this month. The 54th International Film Festival of India, in collaboration with UNICEF, is screening 5 films that deal with child rights. Out of the 5 films, 2 are from India while 3 are from Iran and Sri Lanka.